Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at Point Realty, and I am coming at you from my brand new listing at 728 Lakeview in DeSoto. As you come into the entryway, you're going to love the super tall ceilings with the fantastic light fixtures. You've got formal living, formal dining, lots of different uses for that space. When we get into the kitchen, so much to love. Lots of cabinets, you've got a great island, you've got this great butler's pantry, lots of counter space. The sink looks out over the window. Who doesn't like all the natural light that's coming in here? Really a beautiful kitchen, and also with that eat-in nook. It looks out into the living room, which everyone loves this open floor plan. And once you get into the living room, you are going to love the vaulted ceilings, okay? I love what a high ceiling does for a house as far as the light it allows to come in and how big it makes the room feel. Gorgeous stone fireplace, and then we're going to see the beautiful staircase going upstairs. As you get into the master, so much space again in here. The bathroom is large. You've got your two sinks and your separate shower and tub and all that good stuff. When we get upstairs, we have 4 bedrooms upstairs. 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs. So whoever's in those rooms, however they're being used, it's super, super functional. And they're on either side of a really cool game room space. Just the amount of room to spread out however you want to use the space in this house, it's so, so versatile. And then downstairs is that office that's right off of the entryway. You've got French doors. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for visiting with me at 1728 Lakeview Drive in DeSoto. Once again, 5 bedroom, 4 bath, just under 3,600 square feet, and listed at $445,000. If you want to see it, give me a call, shoot me a text message me on social media, however you want to get a hold of us, let us know, and we will get you out there to see it. Thanks a bunch.
There are buyer closing costs and there are seller closing costs. So what a lot of people don't realize is they are 2 separate